Hi, I'm Bryan from Technologies. In today's tutorial, I'll talk about Purchase Invoice. Let's go to SQL Accounting System, go to Purchase module. Then this is Purchase Invoice. After going in, you'll see a listing of all the Purchase Invoice that you have created previously. So for every column, the first row is empty. This is for you to do a searching. If you can remember the Purchase Invoice number, of course, you can type on the Purchase Invoice number column. Then you're able to search for it. Same apply to all the other columns. Now, let's say you want to search the Purchase Invoice using other available field. You just right-click on the field title, right-click on it, select field chooser, and maybe area. You just drag, left-click, drag, drop. Then you are able to use of the area field. If you do not want that, just drag, put back. Or another way is right-click the column title, remove this column. At the column title left-hand side, you can see the multi-line button. Click on it. This is another way for you to select available field for you to do the searching agent. And over all the columns, there is a formula. This is a filtering formula. Example, for amount, you click on the formula. You can select, maybe it's greater than, let's say I only want to view purchase invoice that is greater than 3,000. Then it will filter for you. Very easy. So to create a new purchase invoice, just click on the new button. New. So over here you can select your supplier. All the transaction in SQL will be settled within one page. Same goes to purchase invoice. So all supplier, you can actually scroll, but normally I will advise customer do not need to do this. You can see that our company name, the column is highlighted and the title is in bold, meaning that your focus of searching now is at column name. If your focus of searching is not under company name, what you can do is at your keyboard, click on the tab key, click one time, it will move to another column, click one time, move to code, click one time, go to company name. And easily you can just type the name of the company of your supplier, maybe it's Maxis, and enter, you get the supplier. Very easy. Same apply to the item. Select the item, I type in the name or description will do. All the invoice number, date, agent, terms will come out automatically and you can amend accordingly if required. So you just key in using the supplier invoice that's provided by your supplier. Now remember, for the invoice number, system will not allow you to duplicate unless if this is two different supplier, then the same invoice number can be used because by different people. Okay, this is very special under purchase invoice. So you can put in the quantity or there is additional item, then you can key in accordingly. Then you click on save. But if you did created the good received previously, you should not do like this. Else, your quantity will be increased twice. One time in good received, one more time under purchase invoice. So if you do have created the good received, what you need to do is instead of creating the new, what I want to do is I can just click on the record and click on the minus sign to remove or delete the record. Then right-click the title, transfer from good received. This is very, very important. Please remember, once you have good received, you must transfer from good received. Else, the stock quantity will be wrong because it increased 2 times. Okay, so transfer over, you can see already transferred and it's in green color. Then, of course, you can key more information under the more tab, put in attachment, or anything that related to this purchase invoice as reference. Then click on save. So by doing this, you can see that the invoice number now is 00029. And if you want to know the double entry for this transaction, you can just right click any empty space over here, then click on show double entry. So the system will actually debit the purchase account and credit the supplier. So the same things will actually posted from purchase invoice to supplier invoice. Remember PI 00029. When you go to supplier invoice 29, it's already here. This is what we call real-time posting. Once you key in purchase invoice, supplier invoice will have the same transaction, but this one is in accounting. Okay, this using account and not stock. You want to do anything with stock, okay, or quantity or service, you should do under the bottom 3 module. Then it will post accordingly. Okay, so purchase invoice you do not need to print out, just because it will be given by your supplier. So by doing that is good enough. So that's the idea of how you do purchase invoice in SQL Accounting System. Once again, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. Thank you for watching.